We got a piece of workout equipment. The workout equipment has busted off. The weld itself was stronger than the surrounding material. It's not even 1/8 inch. We're gonna get that fit up, oriented, cleaned up, make sure it works, and continue welding. Got my portable light, and we did the fit up on the equipment, and we are ready to weld. All right, we are set up. Ground clamp is good. Now with my machine, it's so small, we only need 1/8 inch. And the equipment is good. Gas is on. Alright, the welding is complete. Now it's time for touch-up paint. I took a flapper disc and a die grinder, and I made sure no one will cut themselves. It's welded all the way around. And I did a fit up and made sure it fits perfectly. Now it's time for some paint. We're just going to do a clear coat for now. Got a little bit of a fire, no problem, I got it out. I guess the paint is flammable. But that's okay, it's just a teeny tiny fire, I just blow it out. Ah, I gotta love the smell of burned paint. Well, I'll clean it up and wire brush it and everything. Okay. Now I got it turned over. We'll do the other side. Fortunately, this bracket is thicker, so I start the weld puddle on the thick part and then go on to the thin stuff, because this tube is like 14 gauge, it's pretty thin. Now we can clean it up.